Welcome to Toon Learn Kids! I've fun learning for everyone!
Hello, kids! Welcome! Enjoy learning A to Z vegetables. Let's start it. A. Aloe vera. Asparagus. Asparagus improves digestion. Aloe vera soothes the stomach. B. Beetroot. Broccoli. Broccoli boosts immunity. Beetroot improves blood flow. C. Carrot. Cabbage. Cabbage supports healing. Carrot protects eyes. D. Drumstick. Daikon. Drumstick improves iron. Daikon eases digestion. E. Endive. Eggplant. Eggplant supports heart health. Endive controls calories. F. French beans. Fennel. Fennel reduces gas. French beans supports sugar control. G. Ginger. Garlic. Garlic supports heart health. Ginger reduces nausea. H. Hubbard squash. Horseradish. Horseradish clears sinuses. Hubbard squash gives steady energy because it provides complex carbs. I. Ivy gourd. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce keeps the body hydrated. Ivy gourd supports sugar control because it gives light fiber. J. Jicama. Jerusalem artichoke. Jerusalem artichoke supports digestion. Jicama supports gut health. K. Kohlrabi. Kale. Kale strengthens bones. Kohlrabi supports digestion. L. Lettuce. Leek. Leek protects heart health. Lettuce helps with weight control. M. Mustard greens. Mushroom. Mushroom supports immunity. Mustard greens support blood health. N. Nopal. New potato. New potato gives steady energy. Nopal improves sugar control. O. Okra. Onion. Onion protects cells. Okra helps control sugar. P. Pumpkin. Peas. Peas support muscles. Pumpkin supports eye health. Q. Quinoa leaves. Queensland arrowroot. Queensland arrowroot supports digestion. Quinoa leaves provide minerals. R. Red cabbage. Radish. Radish supports liver function. Red cabbage supports cell repair. S. Spinach. Sweet potato. Sweet potato supports vision. Spinach supports blood health. T. Turnip. Tomato. Tomato supports heart health. Turnip boosts immunity. U. Uluco. Ube. Ube supports energy. Uluco gives energy. V. Vidalia onion. Velvet beans. Velvet beans support digestion. Vidalia onion protects cells. W. Watercress. Wasabi. Wasabi root supports detox. Watercress provides minerals. X. Xanthosoma. Zalaxong. Zalaxong supports hydration. Xanthosoma supports energy. Y. Yard-long bean. Yam. Yam gives stable energy. Yard-long bean supports heart health. Z. Zater leaves. Zucchini. Zucchini helps with weight control. Zater leaves support immunity. Thanks for watching!
Please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Learn Kids, and do not forget to tap the bell icon.